Good afternoon, YouTube. This is the LA engineering student, and today we're going to be working on redesigning. We have already redesigned our little Leatherman micra sheath here, belt clip sheath. And for once, I'm going to listen to what the program is saying. And right now, the program is saying you should want to print this like that. I previously printed this thing vertically. I don't know why I felt so strongly about it. I don't know if it was because I wanted the strength to be that way. I wanted the lines of the plastic to be going like this so that when they bent, I guess if it's going like that, I don't know. I don't know about the strength of this plastic in different directions. I actually want to do some strength testing on the PETG just for sheer curiosity's sake. But I have three goals for this modifications on this print. I want to print it faster. I want to have a smaller raft. I think I'm going to go raft. I think. Actually, yeah, the raft really helps, and I'm getting really crappy adhesion. See, if the raft can kind of help the print, help get everything nice and set and level and even so that you only have to adhere to the plastic rather than adhering to the bed. So the skirt and the brim, they don't give you the ability to adhere to the material you're printing. So let's see here. Wall thickness, I'll go ahead and leave those where they are. Yeah, the part seems to be strong enough. Infill density 30. Wow, that's really high. I'm going to go ahead and lower that to 20. Wow, my print speed is really low. I've read people printing PETG much faster, but based on the adhesion stuff that I've seen, I'm not super motivated to raise this up that much higher. Let's try 30, 33. It's not that much faster. Yeah, 110 seems to be good for the travel speed. I don't need to stress my machine out that much. Initial layer print speed 15. I think we can go 20 on that. We'll keep the initial layer travel speed. I'm actually going to raise that up a little bit. I want to keep the nozzle nice and clean. Wow, my computer is chugging. I'm sorry I haven't been able to see the settings. Alright, cooling, initial fan speed 25. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm going to leave that for now. Generate support, raft, air gap. What is the gap between the final raft layer and the first layer of the model? Only the first layer is raised by this amount to lower the bonding between the raft layer and the model. Makes these. Yeah, actually, it was really easy to peel off the raft air gap. Guess I'm going to leave that. That seemed to work out well. Initial Z layer overlap. To compensate for the filament lost in the air gap. So I'm saying I want a gap of 0.3, but an overlap of 0.15. So does that mean I really have a gap of 0.15? Weird. Raft layers. Let's go 1, because 2 took a long time to print. All right, and I guess that's the end of our settings, so let's go ahead and save this to a file. I don't think I have any. I do try to keep my well, I guess, usually on my CAD projects, 3D printing, let's save it as version 3. I'm even going to put today's date, 21st, right? So we're going to save it in that file. And then all right, well, saving files isn't that exciting, so I'm going to get the 3D printer plugged in, warmed up. We're going to load the file on, and we're going to start printing and see what kind of mischief we can get into. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and keep engineering.